Welcome guys. This is part 4 of the topic arrays and data structures. In the last 3 videos we solved the last 3 questions. Now it's time to solve question 4. If you're wondering where I get these questions from, I'll put the link in the description below. So let's get started. So the first thing, it says, in the month of June, just finished and your expense is $1,980. Add this item to our monthly expense list. And if you remember, the expense list is this. So after May, it will be June. So let's head on to the online compiler, which is right here. And remember, this is our month. And remember, this is January, February, March, April, May. And now it's asking for us to have June. Remember, we always have to clarify the question. So what we're trying to do is add another item into this array. So we want the array to basically be like this. So let's do that. As always, I love to write comments. It keeps me grounded and it's good practice. So basically what it's asking us to do is add 1980 to the array. And here's a nifty trick we can do. So month actually has a dot operator right here. It's an array. It has a month operator. It has a dot operator, and we can just do append, which means to add, and we can put 1980 right there. And now we can just put print months, and then boom, 1980 is added, just like that. Now for the time, so this is basically just constant time, because we're just adding one item to the end of the list. It takes constant time, no matter how big. We're just gonna add one item to the end of the list. So the time complexity is 0. Let me put this out. 0 of 1. If you enjoyed this video, hold on, I made a mistake. But if you enjoyed this video, I got other videos just like this on my page and more to come soon. I hope everyone had a great rest of your day. Mass Programmer out.